Okay, so I'm Ammie Flexen. I'm an artist from Slathwaite, and I've been working with Kathleen, Yore, who's also based there. We've been creating a ceramic garden. We've got one in Dewsbury and one in Huddersfield. So the inspiration for this is about being together even though we're apart. So it's inspired through the experiences people have had in lockdown. So one of the things that we did was we sent out a video and invited people to create their own model gardens at home and then send their ideas to us and inspire us to create this. We also worked with a number of schools, so we've had 3 schools, about 250 children and their teachers involved in working in their bubbles, creating ceramic flowers. Well, we think that the school children, between them, we think made between 400 and 450 flowers. We've made, we think, about 300 by now. And it's a lengthy process making them. So the making them is quite quick, but then we have to dry them, we have to fettle and finish them off. Then we bisque fire them, we glaze them, and then we fire them again. And then the installation is what's taking some time as well, hammering stakes into the ground. So we really hope that people enjoy seeing them, that they enjoy the colours. We've themed them on, the heart in Huddersfield is based on a thank you to the key workers. And it's based on the hearts that people had in hospital and then their family members were able to take home. The one in Dewsbury, the one we're working on today, is a rainbow themed installation, which is based and inspired really by the artwork that we saw in the windows that children were making during the lockdown period. And we hope that they'll enjoy it and that they'll have time to look at it and think about it. We really hope that people will stop and have a look at it and enjoy the colours and just bring a little brightness and joy back into our lives. We think we all need it.